Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Sorry for not being able to post videos for a few days due to some problems. Now there are many of you who are watching this video who have not subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel because I post new videos on my channel every day. Now let's come to the main part of this video. Now here you have to come to the Beamable's website. I have given its joining link in the descriptions below. Those of you who have not started mining yet can do so immediately. Now click on the store option in the middle of the left. Click on the option on first month patch. Remember that everyone can purchase only one and its cost is 0. So don't worry. Now click on the purchase option. That's it. Your work is done here. Now click on your user ID up here and there you will be able to see your badge. Below you can see it written, having this badge proves that you have been here since first official month of the community campaign for Beamable Network. So this will be an important thing for TGE. So hurry up and grab your badge. Now here you can see a badge called onboarded, which I got early. How can you get it for those who have joined recently? You have to click on the start button, then complete all the tasks in it. You will get this badge. Let me tell you another bonus information. Here is a new option called BNB box. If you get them, you will get BNB crates, which will be useful for you in the airdrop later. If you like this video, share it, and if you have any doubts, comment below. See you in the next video.